we will be covering the storms right now. I'm gonna look on. Let's take a look at the warnings here. So currently we have 5 tornadoes in Canada. Let's look at these quick. Let's take a look at this one first. You can definitely see the hook echo. Let's take a look at the velocity scale. I think it's probably right there. I don't know if it's on. Because I can't see if it's on the ground. But there's definitely let's look at this one. So this one you can't really see much of a hook echo. But I do think that it's probably somewhere in here or over here. Let's take a look at. Let's actually look over here. Let's take a look at this one. You can see the hook right there. I don't know. Yeah, so there's the rotation. That's like I said, I don't know if any of these are on the ground. But they're definitely I think that's the rotation right there. I can't tell. Am I using the laptop, Holden? Should I use the laptop?
No, I was just gonna pull this up so you can see your chat.
Okay. And then let's take a break from Canada right now. Let's take a look over here in Pennsylvania quick. So here we have a severe thunderstorm warning. I don't think that there'd be a tornado possible tag on this one. Only because I don't see any rotation on this particular storm. But it's a severe thunderstorm warning for Vanderbilt, Scottsdale, Connellsville, Dunbar.
That's your chat.
Stephen Springs, Dongale, and places like that. Let's take a look on the second severe storm over here. We see that there is the severe thunderstorm warning right here. Here, let's take a better look at this. Yeah, so it is a stronger line of storms through here. Let's take a look at the velocity scales. There could be some broad rotation there. Possibly. Let's take a look. This is kind of by Maryland, New Jersey area. We have a severe thunderstorm warning we have a severe thunderstorm warning for Secliton here, Chesapeake City, Middletown, North St. George, Glasgow, Bear, Ogden, Claymont, Woodstown, Alloway, Salem, Shiloh, Shearbrook Farms, and Deerfield. We also do have some a stronger line of storms through here. You know, like, I don't know with this one if there's a tornado tag possible for this one. I don't know, because, hold up. You may be able to, I think there may be a little rotation down here. It's a very broad rotating storm. And then we have another severe thunderstorm warning over here for Colchester, Haddam, Moodus, East Haddam, Chester, Deep River, Salem, Colchester, Lebanon, Baltic, Norwich, Basra, Montville, Ledyard, Preston, and Griswold. You'll have like 60 mile per hour winds. It expires in 15 minutes. So, yeah, it'll be gone pretty soon here. I do think that they might extend it possibly for areas over here in the blue box. Because it doesn't look like it's dissipating at all. Maybe a little bit on the north side, but I do think that they may extend that. Let's take a look. Let's go to Maine here. Let's go to the east coast of Maine, like the south coast. So there's a severe thunderstorm warning here. It looks like possibly not as heavy thunderstorms as like there would be like in the other severe thunderstorm areas. Let's take a look at the velocity scans. We don't see too much. There's really not much rotation on this. There's not much rotation on the storm. For the most part. I'm actually gonna zoom in on this storm here in Canada. It's really not much. For here in Canada, you could see some stronger storms, maybe like in this area, but for the most part, I don't think that you'll see bad storms over here. Yeah, I don't think that it hold up. Yeah, I don't think that there's any really bad storms here. Maybe just like a few heavier thunderstorms in places like up here, maybe down here. But it should that might dissipate as it moves east. I think it will, for the most part at least. All right, let's go back over here in the tornado warnings. I believe, in Canada here. So, let's look here first. Let's take a look over here. So you can see the hook echo kind of right there. there's not much rotation. I mean, maybe over here a little bit, but that's not really where the tornado
Maybe over here
would be.
a little bit, but that's not.
All right, let's look over here. This is a stronger severe storm. Oh, I don't know. So I think that there is a pocket of rotation possibly in there. It's hard to kind of tell. All right, let's look over here. This is like over here. It's like, okay, we got a better look here. You can kind of see, like there's like a little. It goes like that. You can kind of see. There's not much of a hook on it. I mean, I guess right here, that may be rotation.
Here, that.
I don't think that, I feel like it'd be like more to the east. Like somewhere over in here where the rotation would be. But it's just green, so I don't know about that one. We'll keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at these two over here. This one you can kind of see like that. It does have some rotation up in here. I don't know if, like what I said, I don't know if it's on the ground. I don't really have a way of knowing. But there is an area of heavier rotation there. This is a big hook echo right there. There is, I think that might be the area of rotation that they're looking at right there. I think it'd be more right there, which makes sense. But let's look at over here. Here there's not much of a hook echo. It's kind of just like that. There is some heavier rotation in there, though. Some heavier rotation than, like, the last storm we were looking at. Oh, wait. I think that they just issued another tornado here for Canada. Like Meadow Lake, I think that is. Yeah, see, that's the one I was talking about. Kind of like that. You got the that's a big pocket. That's a big area of rotation. And here, either there or there. I don't know. It's in one of these. It's in one of those spots there. That's a big area of rotation. All right, let's look. We have a severe thunderstorm warning in Montana. It's maybe kind of harder to look at because of the radar that is there. I don't want to say this is dissipating or growing any stronger, but there's definitely an area of stronger storms in that area. Alright, let's zoom in down here. We actually have a flash flood warning for parts of Texas here. There's quite a bit of, there could be some heavy rain down there. There's no really tight rotation on that. But yeah. All right, let's Mr. Myers would be so proud. What's up, Deacon? Alright, anyway. Let's we have some more flash flood warnings in Arizona. Where they'll see multiple rounds of rain, or the rain from behind to the west of it will be coming through. And then we have one kind of more to the north here. I think. Yeah, so it's kind of staying stationary over that area. So that's why they're getting that's why they have a flash flood warning there. And then we have a flash flood warning in California, which I don't understand why, because there's no rain. Ooh, anyway, here we have we actually have a marine warning for the farthest east, or just about on the west side of Lake, or not the west side, in Lake Michigan. What's up, AJ? What's up, Detroit Rules?
That's holding.
What's up, AJ? Hi, AJ.
Oh, no, Hudson.
What?
Detroit Rules is me.
Cool. Whoa, wait. Did that have a hook on that? That might have had a hook on it. I don't know. Alright, anyway, let's look at another app here. So, I think, hold up, give me a second. Yeah, so, that's a pretty decently, there's a whole bunch of hail there. Hi, AJ. Yeah, these tornado warnings up in Canada, I'm not too sure when these expire, actually. It doesn't say. All right, let's look at this. Let's look at this app. It has like warm fronts and like I can't think, like the temperatures and like the low pressure things. So we have a low pressure. It's centered right over Ottawa, and then we have a warm front kind of to the just draping out across. And then the cold front behind it is what's producing these line of storms. Hudson do Allegan. Okay. All right. So for us in Allegan, AJ, let's see here. You want, hey, AJ, do you want the city Allegan or like all of Allegan County? We'll go to the city Allegan. Today you won't see, for Allegan, you won't see storms, most likely. Oh wait, that's New York, whoopsie. We're going to Allegan, Michigan. Allegan County? Okay. So, for Allegan County, let's look at I'll look at the 24, let's look at the 72-hour radar map. So, oh crap, I dropped my phone. Alright, so, we, do get some, pretty heavy rain here. This is, we start to, get some heavy rain on Tuesdays. We'll start to get rain probably about Tuesday 4 a.m. for almost all of Allegan County here. And then it'll really start to ramp up once we get to about 6, 7, and 8. We'll see some scattered thunderstorms at 9, but not as heavy as the others earlier. And then it's gonna be like a break for at 12, 1, and then we get some slight pop-up showers. It won't be too bad. It'll be more of like a isolated storm threat, or not a threat. There won't be much of a threat. We do have we have a marginal risk. In Allegan County, you will see in some parts of Allegan County you'll see like a marginal risk on Tuesday going into Wednesday morning, maybe, probably, yeah. So it'll really it'll really start to I think that there will eventually, after it passes out, or like Columbus, Ohio, and stuff like that, it'll become more of like an organized threat, because what it's kind of showing us is a cold front right here, and most likely a low up here, and then a warm front draping out over that. And it'll, I mean, it's not showing any really heavy rainfall for that specific area, but I believe there will be a cold front with a warm front draping over like Quebec and stuff like that. It'll be more in the shaded area. You'll see a few thunderstorms. It won't be super it won't be super bad. You'll see maybe a few bad storms. Florida.
Yeah.
What city in Florida? Is there a certain city or no?
That's me.
Is there a certain city in Florida?
Where Tamara lives.
Okay. We'll take a look at the forecast for Jacksonville. There'll be some scattered storms, but it'll be pretty stormy for the next week or two. Hello there. Okay, hi. So I mean, yeah, for the first few days, it won't be super heavy here in Jacksonville. I mean, you'll see a few pop-up showers and stuff like that. There you may see some heavier storms, but not super bad. And then it just really kind of, it's going to be a really busy year for Florida in the tropics. Yeah, the tropics are going to be really, really busy this year. I don't believe that there's any tropical to storm development in the next 72 hours. Hey, AJ. But there already has been a storm or a tropical storm that has impacted like parts of Texas and Mexico up here. No, there's no hurricanes right now. Like I said, there should be it's going to be a very, very, very busy year for the tropics, like I said. Is there any certain areas you guys want me to look for or anything? China? You want me to do China, AJ? What parts of China? Just anywhere in China? Like, is there a certain city in China, if you know one? You want me to do Beijing, the capital? You want me? Okay, Beijing. All right. This is an odd request, but in Beijing, it should be pretty clear. Besides from 3-4 days, London. There. Hold on, I'll get to that in a minute. There will be a few days that are storming, but not much. Let's go look on this. So we still see tornado watches in Concord, Dover, Manchester, New London, Franklin. Basically, in all the yellow, there's a tornado watch there. Let's see if there's anything else here. Wow. Ten tornadoes in Canada. Wow. Wow. All right. I don't. There's not really much of a hook echo on that one, but there is definitely some rotation in there.